What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai, B. New Delhi, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai. Correct answer is B. New Delhi. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Patel, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first President of India? A. B. R. Ambedkar, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Correct answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. When did India gain independence? A. The 15th of August 1947, B. The 26th of January 1950, C. The 2nd of October 1947, D. The 14th of August 1947. Correct answer is A. The 15th of August 1947. What is the national sport of India? A. Cricket, B. Hockey, C. Kabaddi, D. Football. Correct answer is B. Hockey. What is the national heritage animal of India? A. Royal Bengal tiger, B. Asiatic lion, C. Elephant, D. Indian bison. Correct answer is C. Elephant. What is the national aquatic animal of India? A. River dolphin, B. Crocodile, C. Tortoise, D. Whale. Correct answer is A. River dolphin. What is the national language of India? A. English, B. Hindi, C. Sanskrit, D. Tamil. Correct answer is B. Hindi. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. B. R. Ambedkar. Correct answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. What was the earliest civilization in India? A. Vedic civilization, B. Indus Valley civilization, C. Maurya Empire, D. Gupta Empire. Correct answer is B. Indus Valley civilization. Who built the Taj Mahal? A. Akbar, B. Babur, C. Shah Jahan, D. Aurangzeb. Correct answer is C. Shah Jahan. Who led the Salt March in 1930? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Patel, D. Bhagat Singh. Correct answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi. What was the main reason for the revolt of 1857? A. High taxes, B. Religious discrimination, C. Introduction of Enfield rifle cartridges, D. Lack of employment. Correct answer is C. Introduction of Enfield rifle cartridges. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Sonia Gandhi, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Pratibha Patil, D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is B. Indira Gandhi.